By the time somebody calls me, they've already been arrested, they've already bonded out. So the facts of the case are generally already established. So it's extraordinarily rare that I get to go and build the facts on a DUI scenario. So assuming they've already bonded out, you come to me, you hire me. The first thing I'm going to do is enter my appearance on your behalf. It says, I'm your attorney. We enter a plea of not guilty and tell the court to set the matter for trial. The next thing we're going to do is file a notice of demand for speedy trial because we're going to affirmatively assert your right to a speedy trial. And a lot of attorneys fail to take that step. And it's one of the things that's required whenever it comes to a speedy trial violation is you must have asserted it to the state. I don't agree with that. I think if you have a right, it should be a right, and you shouldn't have to formally assert it. But the Supreme Court in Mississippi has said that you better go and assert it. So that's what we do right out the gate. The very next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to file a motion for a trial within 30 days on the alternative to extend your driving privileges. And here is where it's so critical that you contact us as soon as it has happened. Don't wait, don't push it off. Call us when it happens because you get that 30-day limit. And the statute says the Commissioner of Public Safety shall suspend your license if you don't have your trial within 30 days and you can't show why it's the state's fault. So we go ahead and we immediately take care of that. We file that motion and they can almost never provide you your DUI trial within 30 days. So that preserves your license until you can get in front of the court. Once we've done that, that's when we'll go file a request for discovery. Any kind of video evidence, I want to watch it. Any audio evidence, I want to listen to it. Any documents, reports, statements, photographs, anything like that out there, I'm going to go through it with a fine tooth comb. And we're entitled to all that. Once we've made all those requests, this happens literally day one you hire us. We go file all these documents. Generally, we'll get an order back that extends your driving privileges. From there, we'll get a court date for your trial. They may set it for a settlement conference in some courts. Some courts go directly to trial. And from there, what happens is we get everything together and I'm going to share it all with you on our case management software. We use my case. It's wonderful. It's great. Once we've gotten everything, I'm going to call you up. I'm going to tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly about your case. And that way you can make an informed and educated decision how you want to proceed. Some people, I tell them, you really want to take this to trial. And there's some people I tell them, you really ought to let me go talk to a prosecutor and see what I can do after looking at everything.